Good morning, children. How do you do? How you are doing all? Are you doing good? Yes. How was your weekend? Everybody, you enjoyed your weekend? Yes. I hope you enjoyed well. Okay, kids? See, do you know what's our concept today? Yes, the same concept, fruit. So, in the last class, what concept we had seen? Ma'am, I taught you dry fruits. Did you all remember that one? Yes. Let me revise the dry fruit once again. Next, let's move the nuts. Let's move the nuts concept. See here. So, in the last class, ma'am, I taught you dry fruits. Is it? Yes. Yes. How we are getting the dry fruits? Come on. Ma'am, I taught you 4 dry fruits. So, first one is raisins, figs, apricots and dates. 4 dry fruits, ma'am, I taught you. First one is raisins. Everybody repeat. Raisins, figs, apricot and dates. Okay, kids? So, this dry. Yes, see here. Dates, apricot. Next, see here. Raisins and figs. Okay, kids? So, how we are getting the dry fruits? How we are getting the dry fruits? Yes, these dry fruits we are getting from the fruits only. Okay, kids? See here. From the fig fruit, we are getting a fig dry fruit. From the fig fruit, we are getting a fig dry fruit. And from the grapes, see here. From the grapes, we are getting a raisins. Okay. From the grapes, we are getting raisins, dry fruit. Next, see. Even the apricot. See, what's the name of the dry fruit? Apricot. Everybody repeat. Apricot and dates. Yes, these two dry fruits also we are getting from the fruits. Okay, kids? Can you understand? Yes. Next, let's move on to nuts. Everybody repeat. Nuts. See here. So, nuts is like a seed, you know. See the nuts? See here, everyone? Yes. This one is a nuts. So, how we are getting a nuts? Do you have any idea about the nuts? Yes. How we get the dry fruits from the fruits. Likewise, nuts also we are getting from the fruits. Okay, kids? So, even the dry fruits also, some fruits are dry. We are getting a dry fruit. Am I right? Yes. Likewise, some fruits are dry and we are getting a nuts. Okay, kids? Everybody repeat. Nuts. Yes, look at here. This is only the nut. See here? Yes, after drying the some fruits, we are getting a nut. Let's see that. So, what is the name of the nut? See here. See here, come on. So, what's the name of the nut? Look at here. Yes, this is a cashew nut. See here, cashew nut. Cashew nut we are getting from the fruit. Cashew nut we are getting from the fruit. After drying the cashew nut fruit, we are getting a cashew nut. Next, you see here. What's the name of the nuts? Almonds. Everybody say almonds. So, this almonds also we are getting from the fruit. We are getting from the fruit. After drying the fruit, we are getting a almonds nuts. Okay, kids? Next, you see. What's the name of the nuts? Cashew nut. What's the name of the nut? Cashew nut. So, this is also we are getting from the fruit. What's the name of the nut? Cashew nut. Next, see here. So, this is everyone is familiar this one, you know. So, in our area, it's very popular this nut. Yes, this is a ground nut. Everybody repeat, this is a groundnut. So mommy also usually she use in our food, you know. Yes, this is a groundnut. Next, see here. This one is a walnut. Look at here. Look at this walnut. This is a walnut. So walnut also we are getting from the fruit. This is a walnut. Next, look at here. Next, see this one. Yes, this one is a peanuts. Look at here. This one is a peanuts. Next, yes, come on. See, peanuts and walnut. Look at here. This is a walnut. Next, this one groundnut. This one hazelnut. Everybody repeat, hazelnut. Next, almonds. So I know everybody here you have almonds at your home, you know. Yes, this one is the almonds, and so this one is a cashew nut. Okay kids, this is a cashew nut, almonds, hazelnut, walnut, groundnut, peanut. Yes, that's it. Yes, so these nuts also we are getting from the fruits. After drying some fruits, we are getting nuts also. Okay kids, come on. Next, everybody see your worksheet. Everybody see your worksheet. See, ma'am, I taught you. Can you guess what's the name of the nut? Can you guess what's the name of the nut? This one? Can you guess or not? Yes, this one is a, see, it looks like a witch nuts. Come on. It looks like a witch nuts. Yes, this is a almond. See here. This one is a almond. What's the first letter of the almond? You have to identify and write. Ma'am, I'm telling, see, almond. So you have to find out what's the first letter of the almond. Next you see here. What is the name of the dry fruit? This is a, can you guess what's the name of the dry fruit? Yes, this is a hazelnut. See here, this one is a hazelnut. Yes, this one is a hazelnut. So you only have to find out the what's the first letter of the hazelnut. Next one, you see here. Yes, this one is a, look at here. Yes, this is a, come on. What's the name of the nut, this one? Yes, this one is a walnut. See, ma'am, I taught you, no, walnut. See here, this one is a walnut. See the picture of the flashcard of the walnut? Yes, this is a walnut. So, first letter, you find out and write what is the first letter of walnut. Next you see, it's very easy to identify. Yes? Yes. What's the name of the nut? Yes, ma'am, already I taught you know. Look at here. This one is a cashew nut. You have to find out what is the first letter of the cashew nut. Okay kids, see the last one. See the last nut. Can you identify what's the name of the nut? It's very easy for you. Yes, this one is a groundnut. See here. What's the name of the nut? Groundnut. What's the, see look at the flashcard. This is a groundnut. So you have to find out what is the first letter of the groundnut. Okay kids, can you understand? Yes. I hope everybody you understood this concept. Okay kids, at your home you explore. Ma'am, I taught you 5 and 6 nuts, you know. At your home you ask your mommy, I want to see the nuts. Usually you keep in the kitchen your mommy, no. So just you show me, I want to know the nuts. Okay kids?
Careful, tiger. Don't destroy the plants. Even they have life. I'm a plant, your friends are green. All around you I am seen. My main parts are the stems and roots, leaves, colorful flowers and fruits. We are roots, underground we grow. In search of water, deeper we go. We suck water through our walls and fix the plants. doesn't fall. I am a stem and because of me a plant can stand upright, you see. I connect all parts with the roots, to them I supply water and food. I am a leaf, I'm mostly green, in many shapes and sizes I'm seen. I cook food for the plant in sunlight, just like you I breathe day and night. I am a flower with petals so bright, scented, colorful or white. I have very sweet nectar in me, that's loved by birds, butterflies and bees. I am a fruit from a flower I grow, I have seeds in me that you sow. I taste sour when I'm unripe, juicy and sweet when I am ripe. I'm so sorry, I'll try to be more careful next time.